Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. Okay, what we need is next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. It's a bit hidden, so if you open the box like this, you will find it here in the cover. So remove the little white box here like this, and here you will have the SIM ejection tool. Just remove it like that and you have it. Otherwise you could use also, of course, the good old paper clip. Okay, if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And on the top of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, on this SIM tray you're able to enter 2 SIM cards if you want, or a SIM card and a microSD card. So let's start now with the first SIM card. You will need a nano SIM card, by the way. So it has to look like this. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can also enter a second SIM card. It is on that position here. Like this. So also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, in the case if you want to add a microSD card, you have to remove the second SIM card if you have one inserted, because on the same place the microSD card will be placed. So like this. So take care that nothing jumps out here really. So it has to look like this then if you enter a microSD card. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, then you can enter a construction in the phone like this. So check a bit and it's inserted. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Yeah, would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.